Hag arpautri uni ubnai u menteri ke sorkar jela u manle u MLA ke amlerem ulak men rembui dewan pengku kerdanu ya ke Jarain PHC cha ke Sub Divisional Hospital hag yelang wada penman hap chem kenihi ke tau sumar. Ya ke yelang da pelai da DMNHO ke West Giant Hills u Dr. KC Ajar weda yo ye klam pediang buram na u Dr. FA Lamin. Ya geni ke hospital daw pelai da ke HANS Foundation, way u Brigadier Retired Shailendra Kataria na geni ke foundation da ongu, wada krek keseny hakelen ki jela ke tany mi sngi, way kat ni krek ki hakit hau sumar kam haribhoy, hawes Khasi Hills, way kat ni hawes Giant Hills, way da kermen wo krek cho chakiwi ki distrik ke jela. Uram Kumar Uwaman Mission Director ke NHM, hawe ye kelam da ongu, wana do udu yetra Januari ulak kemen deponu yo man ke cipau singi wo keli kat hadu kat wan ucimpor wo pengku kerdan ye geni ketau sumar we ini penyo iye sngau khia o menteri ya ki pajba do ongu we ichaj ikhia aman iwe mkam bha we em ko arbenta iwi to mkam ya ki doktor wo plia wo ki thau sumar we aujan hawro ki chnong wo em ya ki village health council. Dasngau kuben wa ke Jarain PHC de ye ko updiang ye ki wakha khon we kat ni u menteri reng ba ale da sedanggi ye ke safe motherhood scheme chocho de ongo wa ni ke Sub Divisional Hospital ye ko em san phau palong we daw ye usumar wa harukom we daw em ko ke kor x-ray wa kiwi we em kam de wo lai chajwai ne liang ulak men rembui de ongo wa ni ke sngi man ko wo sa kenmo ne bah ni ke thau sumar. Da ongu wa ke Jarain PHC to ko wahe tam hapo amlerem Sub Division lada bichar wat ya kanong talang CHC we ke ni ke thau katu uman ko kam ke hospital omdu kam ke health center chocho ongu wa ikha khon to iwo bon bha kat wa kam te ke ni ke thau raw ya rap bha ko ye ki pajba wat na yong no wa na dem thrin nei bha dang jan uwan gi chaini to chajwai. Heju ipor da khanau wa mkam wo sumar we wo pun khu ye gani ka thau we ye ka tender da palai no ye ka ha ka tayaw wo wan nei benta wo chna ye gani ka hospital wa san phau palong kamte da ongu wa gani ka PHC wa em san palong katu em no ko san phau palong kam hospital de yo ye kin tin khu blai na doctor si khongla.
A very good morning to each one of you are present here today. This is a very important day in Amlerem subdivision. This would not have happened had it not been the of the government of Meghalaya. Particularly, I'm very glad that Ram Kumar IAS, Mission Director, NHM, who is oversee from February till today the progress of the work which to make this thing Jarain Sub Divisional Hospital happening. I'm very thankful, Ram Kumar, for all your constant work, not only for Jarain PHC, but for in the state as a whole, and moreover, for sparing your valuable time to witness this day today.
I am Brigadier Shailendra Kataria as announced, and I am but a humble worker of the Hans Foundation. A brief about the organization that I belong to. We are a charitable organization working throughout the country, especially in the Northeast. In the Northeast, we have our presence in several states like Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Meghalaya. I am particularly proud and satisfied that we have taken up, as announced by the previous speaker, some work in the districts of Riboy, Southwest Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills, where in collaboration with the health department, we are taking over some health sub-centers and we will be providing our service to our fellow brothers and sisters of the state of Meghalaya. In the future, we also hope to be of service to more and more people of this beautiful state of Meghalaya. And God willing, it could be in this very district also.